Gelatin with yellow dye. A layer of gelatin infused with yellow dye, often used for a color effect in photographic or artistic application. Gelatin with magenta dye. Similar to yellow layer, this gelatin contains a magenta dye, contributing to the overall color balance and effect. Gelatin with cyan dye. This layer features cyan dye which complement the yellow and magenta layer to create a full color spectrum. Sabin layer, substrate a layer that enhance adhesion between the gelatin layer and plastic base, improving the overall stability of the material. Anti-curl layer, a protective layer that prevent curl or wrapping of the material, ensuring it remains flat and usable. Plastic base, glucose acetate or polyester, the underlying material providing a structural support. Glucose acetate is common choice for flexibility and durability, while polyester may specific performance and characteristic.